First, you can go here and just search docs. Then we'll bring up the first thing right here. Press it, and then you can create whatever you want. You can create a blank space or a resume template, letter template, project proposal, brochure report, or you can also click here to do whatever you want. And if you haven't found it, you can just CV. You can also search your file here from all the files you have made in Google Docs by here, or you can just on by sort, filter it. You can create a lot of things with Google Docs. There isn't a lot of template, but I think you can start pretty well by just clicking blank here, and just like this you have created your Google Docs.